So let's picture this scenario. You have Android Auto on your car, you have CarPlay, but it's not wireless. You gotta put a cable that goes on your phone. That's how mine is. This is a 2022 Toyota Tacoma. It has Android Auto. I love this ride, I love it. But sometimes I get in my wife's car, she has the wireless Android Auto. We are Android people, and I hate it that mine doesn't have that. So that's when this little guy over here, this one right here, believe it or not, this just tiny dongle comes into place. This one's gonna fix that. You're gonna make sure that you plug this one into your data port, your data SUV port, not just the charging port. And either you have an USB-A like this one over here, or you have a USB-C like a USB-C. This one comes with an adapter, so you can hook it up to a USB-C, but the data port. So let me plug this boy over here on my data port, the USB-A data port, and I'll show you how I'm gonna transform my Android Auto experience from plugged with the cable to entirely wireless as soon as I get in my car. So as you can see over here, this is what my phone is telling me. Completely wireless, it's not plugged. So this is what my phone is telling me about detecting this one, which is plugged with the Bluetooth and the USB-A dongle. And then the only thing I will have to do is just hit this button over here. Once that I hit this button, I'm gonna actually go to a blur image right now because I can't show you any maps, but I do want to show you that this one connects right away. So I'm gonna blur this one right now. So I just hit this button over here, go full Android Auto. Auto connects right away with my phone, and it's already showing right here what I have on my phone. So if I just go over here, just hit right here, my phone is not even connect to the car or anything like that. And I can actually go, for example, if I go to the menu, or if I go right here, I can just like put some music, I can go to places, I can just make sure that I have every single app that I have on my phone over here. Like if I want to go with Spotify, if I want to access to the phone, if I want to access to phone, let's say that I want to go to YouTube, for example, YouTube music, I can just go to the menu of all my lists over here and just make sure that I can just like do this with my phone, no issues. My phone is not even connected to the car one more time, and I can select every single app that I have on my phone that is connected to the Android Auto. For example, full maps back again, I can just put the maps, and one more time, I'm not even touching my phone over here. So this is just fantastic. This has been the perfect upgrade for my Android experience, but it can also work for CarPlay. This dongle is a must have if you don't have wireless connection to your